Good evening, namaste, salam alaikum, shashriyakal to my alluring audience. I am Shelly Bisht, your host, live from Khwab Zindagi Ke, an NGO which works for social causes and invite COVID warriors here to share their experiences in their fight with the demon pandemic and thus to create social awareness about pandemic and the precautions taken to combat it. Today, we have our COVID fighter family 14, Mrs. Sheetal Rana, who is from Mathura, the birthplace of Lord Krishna. Mrs. Sheetal at present resides in Greater Noida and teach in a public school. Her husband is a manager in CPA Global and she is a mother of two sons, basically 13 and 17 years old. So Sheetal ma'am, welcome to Khwab Zindagi Ke. And
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
So how are you, Sheetal ma'am, now?
I'm pretty much fine.
Okay. So ma'am, my first question to you is, when did you realize that you and your family are having the symptoms of corona?
Shelly ma'am, the journey began. Okay, the story began when मेरे neighbors के यहाँ पे आया हुआ था. He was positive. तो just one day before मेरे husband और मेरे बेटा बड़ा वाला वो गए हुए थे अपने neighbors के पास, उन्हीं के पास on Saturday. It was I think 6 April.
Okay.
On 7th April जो वो भैया थे नेबर जो थे वो उन्होंने हमें बताया कि वी आर पॉजिटिव. तो फॉर अ प्रिकॉशंस मेरे हस्बैंड और बेटे दोनों गए थे हॉस्पिटल. तो उन्होंने कहा वी शुड टेक अ टेस्ट. तो दोनों का हुआ, दैट वाज नेगेटिव.
ओके.
आफ्टर 4-5 days मेरे हस्बैंड को सिम्टम्स शुरू हुए थे. इट वाज लाइक बैक पेन.
ओके.
तो जनरली हमने इसलिए मैं ज्यादा नहीं सोचा बिकॉज सिटिंग जॉब है उनका, तो इट मे बी उसकी वजह से भी हो सकता है. तो बट 2 or 3 days बाद उनको फीवर आना शुरू हुआ. तो इट वाज अलार्म.
ओके.
तो ऑन 25th मेरे बेटे को भी फीवर आ गया. तो आई वाज लिटिल बिट कंफर्म इन माय हार्ट दैट देयर इज अ चांस.
Okay.
तो अगेन ऑन 26 अप्रैल दोनों का टेस्ट कराया मैंने घर पे ही. तो ऑन 28th नाइट दैट वाज कंफर्म दैट बोथ आर पॉजिटिव्स.
Okay.
Okay. Only my husband and my elder son.
Elder son who is 13 years old.
हाँ, yes. तो ऑन 27th मेडिकेशन बेटे का शुरू हुआ. तो जब तक रिजल्ट नहीं था बट डॉक्टर वाज श्योर कि उसे सिम्टम्स तो हैं. तो मेडिकेशन उसका शुरू हो चुका था. फॉर अ प्रिकॉशन मैंने उसको पहले से ही आइसोलेट कर दिया था बेटे को.
ओके, दैट इज गुड.
यस, पहले से ही मैंने उसको कर दिया था. ऑन 26, 27, 28 ही वाज अलोन, ऑल अलोन.
Okay.
On 29th when both are positives, it's confirmed. तो दोनों को मैंने एक रूम में शिफ्ट कर दिया, but there was a distance.
There was a distance. Good, good.
Yes, because क्योंकि mostly जो flats होते हैं general problem, there are only 2 washrooms, 1 washroom.
Yes.
So there was a situation कि my husband and my son both are positives, but my younger son who is 7 years old and me, we are not having any symptoms.
No, but actually have you got your test also, you and for younger son?
No, we have, because we are not having any kind of symptoms.
There were no symptoms?
No,
so there was
no
need of getting any test done?
Yes, because शैली मैम क्या होता है कि अगर आपको symptoms नहीं है आप टेस्ट का, तो आपका how you will take care of both of them.
Yes, exactly.
तो वो फिर उनका 29th को कंफर्म दैट ऑन 1st में 3 days के लिए उनका मेडिकेशन हुआ था. तो जनरली डॉक्टर ने वायरल के लिए दिया था.
ठीक है.
तो डॉक्टर से फिर मैंने बात किया. मैंने कि वायरल इफ द पेशेंट इज पॉजिटिव तो मेडिकेशन शुड बी चेंज, मेडिसिन चेंज होना चाहिए था. वो नहीं हुआ. तो ऑन 1st में मेरी एक कलीग हैं, वो भी कोविड से अभी कम बैक किया उन्होंने. So I have taken doctor's number, मैंने उनको पूरा बताया. So medication was started.
Okay.
On 11th May, my beta have completed his quarantine, and on 12th, husband ने भी quarantine complete कर लिया है. Both are safe.
Okay. I wanted to know what all medicines did you give them?
Medicines, that was vitamin C,
Okay.
zinc, and all the medicines that the doctor has
The
prescribed
doctor
us.
has prescribed.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So besides this medicine, what all special care you had taken for your husband and kid? I just want to know the diet plan and something extra which you did for them.
Okay, ma'am. My diet plan was that, Shelly ma'am, क्योंकि generally जब मेरे को पता चल गया था, तो when I was free, तो मैं सर्च करती थी कि what is the correct diet plan for the COVID patients. So I have searched lots of websites. तो एक मेरे को पता चला that was very good. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, उसमें पूरा prescribed था, तो and I have go with it.
Okay.
काढ़ा, नींबू पानी, और आपके protein diets.
So what all you included in proteins?
In proteins, dal, one sabji, and fruits, lots of fruits, nariyal pani.
Yeah, nariyal pani.
Yes.
That is what I wanted to know.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
So what, and juices, some particular juices, fresh juices?
Particular, it was like musambi, orange, and apple, whatever they want.
Whatever they want.
Yes. Because dehydration का भी बहुत problem होता है कि इसमें ये नहीं है कि जबरदस्ती आप everything you have to put in their mouth. तो उनके हिसाब से भी करना पड़ता था, क्योंकि कोरोना में क्या है कि पेशेंट वीक फील करता है, खाने का बिल्कुल इच्छा नहीं है, but you have to eat.
And ma'am, one more thing I want to ask over here, did they lose their taste also during this period?
Actually, my husband have lost it.
Okay.
Husband को था, बेटे को नहीं था.
So was he eating the food, or was he refusing the food at some times that I don't?
Yes, most of the times he want, Sheetal, I don't want.
Yeah.
But I have insisted him that you have to. आपका choice है, नहीं है, ज़्यादा नहीं खाना है, but you have to eat it in a small amount.
I want the message to be conveyed to the audience also. That unless and until the patient doesn't eat, how will he have the medicines also? You know, so that is very much important for we all to keep, you know, to give mini meals to our COVID patients in between, along with the medicines also. Okay, so that is very good. Okay, which you told me that you kept on giving him kara, you kept on giving him coconut water, juices, along with lots and lots of fruits with their breakfast,
and dry fruits also.
Yeah. So dry fruits were basically soaked or dry only, or soaking it in water?
Yes, almonds, I was soaking it, but जो उनके किशमिश होते थे, काजू, they were having it normally.
Okay, okay. So you told me that you are a family of 4. You, your husband, and you know, your 2 sons. But I want to know from you, did you get any sort of you know, domestic help during these times?
Domestic help, Shelly ma'am, I think in this critical situation, the moral support is must. There should be a moral support from your family, because आप जाके उनके लिए कुछ नहीं कर सकते, उनके पास नहीं बैठ सकते हो. Okay, so first thing, you have to be strong in your mind. Your family should be there to support you morally.
Yeah.
So my father and mother, my 2 brothers, they were always there for me.
So were they residing there in Greater Noida?
They no, my younger brother and my father and mother live in Mathura, and the elder one, he is in Punjab.
So that means through telephonically, through
all
this social media, they were giving you mental strength, mental strength. Yes, no, this is also very important, because unless and until we don't get the family support, we can't run the show, you know. Because
it's आपके पास, because you are not having any chance.
Yeah.
आपके पास और कोई चारा नहीं है. I have to be, because I have to take the charge. मेरे को charge लेना है, मुझे ही करना है.
And here, ma'am, Sheetal ma'am, here third question, which is very important, is since you told me you are working, you are a teacher, and you are teaching in a public school in Greater Noida. So I wanted to know that how you maintain the balance between your profession, your home, and caring of your husband and kid at the same time. How did you maintain the balance?
Shelly ma'am, by grace of God, I was on leave.
Okay, summer break.
Yes.
Oh, that is fortunate. That is fortunate that at least, you were at home. You were not busy with the profession. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And how did you maintain the household work? Were you having any maid?
No, ma'am. No, Shelly ma'am, because last year से मैंने कोई अपना लगाया नहीं है कोई भी maid.
Okay, because of the lockdown.
I don't want, yes, I don't want any risk क्योंकि बेटा छोटा है. तो I was doing it. मेरे husband, he is very supportive. वो भी household works कराते हैं मेरे साथ.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay. And ma'am, Sheetal ma'am, one more question. See, your younger son is hardly 7 years old. Okay.
Yes.
And you had isolated your husband and his brother, who is 13, in a separate room for a couple of days. So how did you morally counsel the younger one that not to go inside, not to interact with them, maintain the social distance? They will be coming out over a period of time. You're not supposed to enter inside and talk with them because he's quite small. So how did you make him understand what moral counseling you gave him?
Okay, Shelly ma'am, last year I have prepared my both children. क्योंकि ये चला था तो जो भी हाइजीनिक जो भी था गाइडलाइंस जो था I have prepared both of them. Touch wood, my both sons are very sensible. तो छोटे को बहुत
that's good to know.
Yes, छोटे को बहुत जल्दी समझ आ गया था कि yes, पापा को भैया को हुआ है, they are inside. तो I have also take care of it. वो पता नहीं वो अपने आप ही उसमें था. तो he just live in this area living room and watching TV, playing with me. He was doing it. Okay. But he never, for a single moment, he never ever said, Mama, I want to go inside.
So I much appreciate the kiddo. I mean, he is so small. So, he has given the full support to the family. At least at this time, he has shown the maturity. He understood the gravity of the situation. And then maybe I think he could be also on leave. His summer break might be going on. So he might be whiling away the time, playing and watching TV, playing games and interacting with you.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Okay, and one more thing, in case, suppose, who was doing the grocery of your house, in case if you want fruits, vegetables, or anything? So were you managing it on your own, medicines, including medicines?
Actually, Shelly ma'am, yes, by grace of God, the deliver man, grocers, चाहे वो vegetables वाला था, चाहे medicines वाला था, they were very supportive.
Okay.
वो खुद ही डिलीवर कर जाते थे, बाहर रख जाते थे. I have just sent them the prescription और ग्रोसरी वाले को सामान भेजना होता था and वो अपना रख जाते थे. They were very supportive.
Okay, so that means you got the free home delivery. Yes. And the big support for these items also, because again it is very risky for you to go all alone out to purchase the things and then to get back home. Okay, so now when all these grocery items were coming to your place, so what were you doing? Were you sanitizing those items, all fruits, veggies and everything?
Yes, Shelly ma'am, because I have just kept there. और फिर मैं बाहर बालकनी में रख देती थी for 1 or 2 days, because मैं ये नहीं करती थी कि मेरे को अभी अर्जेंट चाहिए तो I have to take it right now. वो नहीं करता था. मैंने पहले से प्लान किया होता कि मुझे ये चाहिए होगा और चीज पहले ही मंगा ली थी.
So that means for 24 hours or for 48 hours, you were just quarantining the things in your balcony.
Yes.
For a day or two.
Yes.
And then you were using it.
Then I was using it. Sanitize तो मैं पहले ही कर देती थी. बाहर ही कर देती थी. उसके बाद बालकनी में रख दिया. जो बताया गया था, जो गाइडलाइंस गवर्नमेंट ने बताई थी, जो लास्ट ईयर भी बताया था, I have go with the same way.
Okay. So Sheetal ma'am, now I think the whole family is okay. You're also okay, husband and the kids, everybody is okay. But I think you might have heard of the third wave also, which we are hearing in the news channel. The third wave also is about to come. So do you have any idea in mind that how to take care, what are the precautions and everything for the third wave? Because we are keeping on, this thing is on news that, the third wave is gonna hit the kids.
Yeah.
So how will you take the precautions?
Shelly ma'am, I want to convey this message to all the parents कि firstly you have to be strong. Mindset आपका positive होना चाहिए और यही चीज आपको
Yes.
अपने बच्चों में डालना है.
Yes.
बच्चे क्योंकि बच्चे शैली मैम वो रियलाइज नहीं करते कि मेरे को क्या हुआ है.
No, why I'm asking this question to you is your kids are 13 and 7 years old. Both are boys. And once they feel now we are okay, we are completely fine, won't they want to go down to play? Won't they want to go out to socialize with everybody? So what are precautions? That is what I want to know. How will you do it?
शैली मैम, in this time मुझे लगता है पेरेंट्स सब कुछ बने हैं, स्पेशली मम्मा. वो डॉक्टर भी बनी है, वो मेड भी बनी है, वो टीचर भी बनी है. ओके,
मल्टीटास्कर.
ये मल्टीटास्कर. तो हमें यही करना है कि बच्चे को इन्वॉल्व रखना है. क्रिएटिव पढ़ने में रखिए, एक्सरसाइज में रखिए, उनके साथ इन्वॉल्व हो जाइए. टीवी देखना है, टीवी के साथ दे आर वॉचिंग कार्टून्स, बैठ जाइए उनके साथ. आपको मेंटली और फिजिकली उनको फिट रखना है. एंड आई यूजुअली डू, मैंने अपने बच्चों को सिखाया है टू डू meditation.
Yeah, that is very nice. That is what I wanted to hear from you. Very nice. Okay.
In the morning, in the evening, छोटा वाला थोड़ा सा नहीं करता है, but elder one is very sensible. वो करता है, चाहे वो आधे घंटे के लिए करे, 1 घंटे के लिए, it doesn't matter. वो करता है क्योंकि बच्चे में हम ये, I think मुझे लगता है कि बच्चे को आप थोड़ा सा अपने थोड़े स्पिरिचुअल वे में भेजते हैं, तो आप मतलब he gets the power, inner power to fight here and here.
Yes. So Sheetal ma'am, I am finding you as a very strong lady, a very positive lady, who has inculcated all these in the kids in your family. And I, salute you that you single-handedly did this for your family, although, this family support is the biggest thing. And I appreciate your parents, your brothers, sisters, that they have, given you the moral support. But here at your house, you were all alone, and there you were managing the house on your own. And very nice that you are teaching the breathing exercises also to the children, meditation also to the children, yoga also to the children, because unless and until we are not physically strong, we cannot be mentally strong. Okay, so that is something, I'm getting very positive vibes through you, that how you have, you were quite determined and you had fought corona like anything. Okay,
Shalima, I want to add some lines here, because most people think कि corona है, very पता नहीं क्या हो गया, ये हो गया. But I think this is a period of strength, patience, love, care, courage, recognition. Means you have to be very strong.
Yes. Because see, if we don't get that mental strength, and then if we are not determined, and if we turn weak, because see, when we switch on the television, there are so many negative news coming from all the corners. Okay, you might be hearing of certain deaths also, close ones, your kith and kin, your friends, your family, and at times we become very negative. At times, we are scared. We especially think, I don't know what will gonna happen to my family. But then yes, you are very much correct. You need to be very, very strong. You need to be very, very positive also, and patience. And certainly I'm very happy when you're telling about that children were doing the meditation and yoga, because these are the things which increase the mental power of the child. Okay. And also, we become positive towards life. We are never negative. So that is one strength which is given to us, which helps us to fight all this. Okay.
And one more thing, Shelly ma'am.
Yeah.
And one more thing, कि you have to give positive vibes.
Yes.
To the patient, चाहे वो आप जानते हो नहीं जानते हो, जब भी आप सुबह जाग रहे हो, सो रहे हो, दिन में, positive vibes should be sent to the patients.
Yes.
ये नहीं करना है कि मेरे को ये हो गया, no. अच्छे
and also
आप सही हो, आप बिल्कुल ठीक हो.
Very nice point you have raised. That means we need to motivate and encourage the patient, so that the patient should not go in the negativity, and patient should not feel that yes, I can never recover. Okay. And also one most important point, during this journey of yours, were you maintaining the BP, the pulse and oxygen of your husband? That I want to know. Husband as well as the kid.
Yes, I was regularly checking it 3 times. Morning, afternoon and रात को मैं जाग के भी देखती थी. But husband was doing it because I was not able to touch his items.
Yeah. But was he telling you?
Yes, every time I just asked him.
Okay, so what did you notice that in the beginning, how was it? During the journey, how was it? And at the end, when he recovered, how was it?
Shelly ma'am, बेटे का तो I think there was not an issue at all. He was.
Okay, there was no variation. It was
no. थोड़ा सा husband का लगा था at in the beginning उनका oxygen 92 हुआ था. तो I was just told him कि थोड़ा सा walk करो, breathing exercise करो, जितना breathing exercise बढ़ाओगे morning में, evening में, it will be okay. तो I don't think Shelly ma'am उसके बाद उनको कोई oxygen का problem हुआ था, कभी नहीं.
Okay. It was maintained.
Maintained. Yes.
Okay. And ma'am, Sheetal ma'am, has he taken the vaccination shot, first vaccination dose?
No ma'am, because first May से तो शुरू हुआ था ना. It was started from 1st May, but उनका तो 29th को already हो चुका था COVID. So he was not able to take the vaccination.
So that means you also might not have taken the vaccination.
No ma'am, I have registered it, but not yet. I have not taken the vaccination.
Okay, that means after few days, when he recuperates completely, then both of you will be taking the vaccination shot.
Sure, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. It should be must.
It is must.
Yes.
It is must.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. And ma'am, Sheetal ma'am, can you tell me the post-COVID care you are doing for your husband and kid? Post-COVID, what are you doing?
Okay, Shelly ma'am, post-COVID मैंने कोई चेंज नहीं किया है.
Okay.
It was same, क्योंकि आपको डाइट प्लान वही रखना है, बिकॉज इतना आपको अंदर से आप वीक हो चुके होते हो. डाइट प्लान आपको अच्छा रखना है, एक्सरसाइज रखना है.
Okay.
और डू मेडिटेशन. कोरोना कुछ नहीं कर पाएगा.
Oh my God, such a wonderful. Yes. Okay, you are really courageous, that you are not even scared. I'm liking it. Very nice, Sheetal ma'am. Okay, so now also you are giving that kada and coconut water, juices, fruits, everything.
Yes. वही है उनका
diet. Have you also given that haldi pani which everybody tells?
Actually, I'm not giving the haldi pani. मेरे night में जो रहता है Shelly ma'am, it was मेरा पहले से ही है. कभी मैंने compromise नहीं हुआ, day miss भी नहीं हुआ है. मैं हल्दी में दूध वाला, जो दूध होता है हल्दी वाला, कच्ची हल्दी वाला, मैं डेली उनका रात को ये इट इज फिक्स्ड. यस, वो कभी नहीं तोड़ना है. वेरी बिगनिंग.
Okay, it's quite healthy, it's something very good.
आप शहद दे सकते हैं बच्चे को.
Okay, very good. So Sheetal ma'am, before we, close the show, I want you to give, 3 very, very important tips to our audience. How to beat Corona?
There are only 3. Okay, the first thing will be that you have to be positive from your mind. Means you have to have positive mindset.
Very nice.
You can easily face this phase. Second, please do meditation in the morning and evening. It will आपको खुद ही feel होगा अंदर से कि you are fighting inside also. And the last one is, please send positive vibes to the patients, to the world.
Very nice. So, dear viewers, I also want to recuperate, whatever Sheetal ma'am has told, that during these trying and challenging times, you need to be very, very positive. You should not cry. You should not be in a gloom that I don't know what will happen to me and my family. You need to be very, very courageous, very, very determined, and with willpower, you have to fight this battle together. There should there should not be any negativity at all. And also meditate, do yoga, do some breathing exercises, go for some proning exercises, and whatever you are comfortable with, because this should be a very, very important protocol to be followed during these times. And the third thing which I want to tell is that please keep the COVID patients at ease. Be polite with them. Do pep talks. Okay, try to encourage them, try to motivate them, try to encourage. And all these encouraging things will give the positive vibes to the patient. Yes, I will be all right. My family is there. God is there. I'm getting the complete family support. My friends, relatives, everybody is asking about my well-being. So I mean, not only in the house, but outside your house also, you have to spread the positivity, the message of positivity all around. Because if you are positive, the world also will be positive. If you are happy, the world will be happy. If you will smile, the world also will be smiling. So Sheetal ma'am, very, very thank you for coming on our show, Khwab Zindagi Ke. And I'll always remember you because you have come across as a very strong woman to me, very courageous, very strong, someone who is very positive. And because of your determination and because of your willpower only, you were able to help out your husband and your kid to come out from this pandemic. So a special thanks to you. And my audience also, the last message before I wind up the show, I want to give you is that keep moving. Finally, remind yourself that this pandemic will not last forever. And while not everything will go back to the way it was before, many things will. So take another deep breath and consider the perks of the life you are leading now. My dear friends, please cherish it. Define what's positive for you and the people around you. Spread positivity and mental endurance, which can be enhanced by willingness and acceptance. Be happy, be optimistic, be a leader, be courageous, be stronger, be a fighter, be resilient. And I bet we all are together in this mission. India will rule the world. So with this, we come to an end of this show. So good evening, everybody, and good evening, Sheetal ma'am. Bye-bye. And once again, thank you for coming on.